Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix something went wrong, please try again on Messenger. So guys, when you have opened your Messenger and want to send messages and facing this type of issue, that is something went wrong, please try again. I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, after going to back you have to open your settings. First of all you have to check your internet connection. If you have connected any internet, you have to disconnect that net and you need to reconnect it again. And if you are using mobile data, make sure that you have select 4G or 5G network on your device. And now you have to scroll it down. From here you have to click on app management, and now you have to click on app list. And guys, after this here you need to search Messenger. So guys, after opening that Messenger you have to click on storage and cache. Simply you have to clear cache of your app. And now you have to go back again, click on your Play Store, and here you need to search Messenger. After this you have to open your Messenger and update your Messenger if not updated. And guys, after doing this you have to go back. So guys, now you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any kind of VPN here, you need to disconnect that VPN. And guys, after doing this you have to go back, open your settings again, scroll it down, click on system, and from here you have to click on reset phone, and simply you need to reset your Wi-Fi settings. So guys, if you are seeing here option the reset network settings, you can reset your network settings as well. And guys, if you have option of Wi-Fi, reset Wi-Fi settings, you need to reset this Wi-Fi settings. And guys, after doing all these settings, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to send messages smoothly without any interruption. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.